Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Alicia, and I am back with this super cute unit. It's short, it's perfect for this hot weather. Oh my gosh, what is the temperature where you're at? It's boiling out here. It's like 115 over here in Arizona. It's hot, so I needed something really cute, especially since your girl is newly single. Yes, I am single, and I'm just now getting back out there into dating. So let me know where you guys go to meet people, because it's been such a long time since I've dated. And yeah, but anyways, that's a whole nother story. But yeah, I did pick up this gorgeous unit from Amazon using Amazon Prime. Y'all know I get all my wigs from Amazon, okay? But anyways, this is from the vendor Jessica Hair. I'll be sure to link all of the information down below. This is how the hair comes directly out the pack. As you guys can see, we're gonna need to work with this one, but it's not gonna take much effort, okay? This does have a pre-plucked hairline. I'm gonna show you guys what I do to make that pre-plucked hairline come to life. And the cap construction that I did choose is their 13x6 lace front wig. They have quite a few different ones, but that's what I chose. But first things first, we're going to make those knots nice and transparent. So what I like to do is use my 30 volume developer and my basic white powder to bleach those knots. If you're not familiar with any of this, just use liquid foundation, that will work. But anyways, I allowed that bleach to sit on the wig for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You definitely want to check it periodically, and as you guys can see, it did lift very well. Just make sure you rinse off the bleach with the coldest water possible. And I'm using a shampoo just to get all of the residue out of the wig so that it doesn't damage the hair and whatnot. And I like to go in with my Shimmering Lights purple shampoo just to tint those knots, because you don't want them looking brassy, because then it'll be like kind of shiny and fake looking. So I allowed that to sit on the hair for about 30 minutes so that it tints very good. Went ahead, rinsed that out, and now I'm using my silicone mix. Yes, silicone mix does contain silicone. It does coat your strands. I don't recommend this for your natural hair, but I do recommend it for your wigs. It's going to keep your hair from matting and tangling, okay? But this is the amount of shedding that I did receive, which isn't much, okay? I will keep you guys updated on whether this hair does shed more. But this is what their pre-plucked hairline looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna further go in and pretty much tone down the denseness of the front of this wig, because I do feel like it is a little dense for my liking. So what I'm taking is my flathead tweezers and just plucking going back. As you guys can see, I'm pretty much plucking in rows. This is the best way you can pluck your unit so that you don't get any bald patches or recede your hairline. And as you guys can see, it makes a world of a difference. So definitely tweeze going backwards in rows, and you shouldn't get any screw ups, okay? That is the amount of hair that I did tweeze out. Now what I'm going to do is cut down those baby hairs just a little bit, because I am going to put baby hairs in this style. Of course, if you don't prefer it, you can skip that part. But yeah, so now I'm taking a little bit of my foamy wrap mousse just to mold the front of the hair. And for this style, I am opting for a middle part. Originally, I did put it in a side part, which you will see at the end of the video in case you want options, but I did opt for a middle part. Now for me, I don't do the whole the ball cap method, so I do prefer baby hairs. That's going to help with concealing the lace after I cut off the extended lace, so that you don't see it lifting up, okay? So if you guys have curly units, please invest in a detangling brush, whether it be a Denman, a Felicia Weatherspoon, a Tangle Teaser, even the generic ones. Invest in a detangling brush. That is what's going to get those curls popping. I cannot say it enough, okay? But anyways, this wig is super big head friendly, so I had to sew in an elastic band, because again, you guys, I don't glue my units down. I change up my style so often, and plus I live in Arizona. It's really hot, that I just choose not to glue it down. So I did have to sew in an elastic band to get the wig to stay on properly. But yeah, as you guys can see, the lace isn't too light, but I did go in and put my mineralized skin finish on the lace, as well as my LA Pro Conceal in the parting space, just to make it look nice and natural. And now I'm going to go in and cut off that extended lace. As you guys can see, I am rocking the tweezers back and forth, kind of give like a jagged look so that, you know, it blends right into my skin. I find that that's super effective. So yeah, so this is what that's looking like. Of course, if you don't like baby hairs, you can skip this step, but if you do have like I have right there, a bald little patch right there, I use this gray coverage mascara, and oh my gosh, it fixes it perfectly. Okay, but this is how the hair looks. I definitely wanted to look a little more voluminous, so I took my wide tooth comb just to kind of, you know, make the hair look very full. And as you guys can see, this is the look I achieved, and I am in love. Oh my gosh, y'all, this was the look I was looking for. It does look a lot like my other Jessica hair, but this one seems to be much more curlier. And look at the density. The density on this unit is 150%, but it's super full and natural looking. If y'all know me and my natural hair, I used to do my twist outs like this, and it looks just like it. Like, oh my gosh, I am loving it. But anyways, you guys, if I didn't say it already, this is 14 inches, so it falls right into my collarbone, and that's what the hair line is looking like. Very natural, super soft. Haven't received much tangling or shedding, but I will keep you guys updated, so come back to the video. And this is what that side part looks like. For those of you guys who want options or versatility, you guys can rock this in a side part, which is super cute. Okay, let me know which style you prefer. And again, this is Jessica hair from Amazon. Be sure to check out all of the Prime Day sales, y'all. They have coupons and everything. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.